how to scroll Instagram hands-free on your Android device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can scroll Instagram hands-free on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So first, you need to visit the Play Store and download this app, Automatic Scroll. Then, once you've downloaded the app, open up the app, then click on the plus button. It will then ask you to select an app, so scroll down until you get to Instagram, then check the box on Instagram and click OK. Then click on Start Service. Next, if you click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, you can go to Settings, and here you can change the speed of scrolling. Now this is only available on the premium version of this app, so I'm not actually going to do it here, but if you like the app after you've tried it, you may consider purchasing the premium version. Then next, I'm just going to open up the Instagram app. Then I'm going to click on the like the fast forward button, but going down. And as you can see, this is now scrolling through Instagram hands-free. And that's all it takes to scroll Instagram hands-free on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.